So when we talk about PSD2, we talk a lot about open APIs, about fintech competition. What do you see as the major consequences of the regulation?
Clearly, as you say, there's been a lot of discussion about developing these open APIs and also the opportunity for third-party providers, these fintech organizations, to come in and offer additional services. But I think that they're very concerned about necessarily going down a solution or services path that then turns out to be a dead end. And so I think they're adopting a little bit more of a wait and see policy. But because you're opening up this infrastructure to many more players in the market, there is also much greater opportunity for fraud. And I think that fraud investigations and using technology like artificial intelligence to try and identify those areas, I think will become much more prevalent. And then finally, clearly, you've got the regulatory reporting requirements that you have to do off the back of these kind of incidents, and being able to keep the regulator up to date with how your business is performing, because clearly this is going to be under the microscope for the regulators over the next few years as they see how this new regulation beds in. And I think there are going to be a number of services and capabilities that banks are going to have to provide. In order to provide these kind of solutions, you really need to look at a technology which is quickly able to deliver applications to meet these sort of requirements. But also, as examples we've seen already, I think it's still going to be changing somewhat. So you need to implement solutions that are quick to deploy, but also quick to change and evolve as your business needs change. And I think if you're going to do that, then you really do have to go down the low-code platform approach. And I think if you're able to take that approach, then what that gives you is a much more flexible platform to be able to then deliver further custom solutions as your business develops and as you finally agree on what the strategy it is in order to take advantage of PSD2.